Tuberculosis is still the greatest infectious disease killer globally, so it's an enormous problem. We've developed a digital stethoscope, which is a low-cost unit as opposed to an X-ray machine. We've paired this stethoscope with an AI algorithm that's specifically trained to detect tuberculosis by the sounds of patients' lungs. Tuberculosis affects your lungs in a particular way, and these make signature sounds. And our stethoscope, when you listen to a patient's lungs, it identifies these sounds and makes a prediction on whether that patient has tuberculosis or not. It bridges this gap between accessibility and accuracy, where we're as accessible as symptom questionnaire, but as accurate as an X-ray detection. So this links to either a computer or to a cell phone, and that guides the nurse into where to place the stethoscope, and also provides the answer on the screen of the app or the computer. If you detect tuberculosis early, it's relatively uncomplicated to treat, and there's a much shorter period of being infectious, which protects their family and the environment in which they work, etc. The Change Now summit in Paris was really an exciting event to be part of. I think what was special is there were a bunch of like-minded innovators there. It had a focus on impact technology, impact innovation. So it was really great to see other groups doing similar things to us, and we also picked up a number of synergies from market access during that event. So it was, it's a really special landmark in our company development. The funding from the INNOV4GOOD grant has been really impactful for us. We used those funds to develop our mobile app. The users are far more used to using cell phone tech, and so that's been really big, and we've seen how the market's accepted that, and it's been great. Looking into the future, we need to get World Health Organization endorsement. What that does is it opens access to countries' public healthcare systems, and that's really where we believe we can make the biggest impact. It's really exciting to know that we're making a tangible difference to the biggest infectious disease killer globally.